Hey everyone, and welcome into today's video. We are going to be updating Alpp, and thanks guys for staying patient with me. I have unfortunately contacted the bad Rona. I have the COVID, and it is a confirmed positive, so unfortunately I am resting currently in isolation here in the UK, and once I'm better and at full strength I will get these videos back out on demand for you guys. But right now Alpp has seen some really nice movement, so we've almost doubled our position in the last week. Alpp did reach down to some lovely support areas of around $2 and $2.50. As you can see on here, I did draw a double support zone for all of our Discord community. As they know, they have been fully updated, and again we did actually stretch down to those oversold levels on the RSI, so it was just a matter of time guys until we did have another shift back up, and we have seen some fantastic movement, as you can see up on the screen, as Alpp has now doubled since then, up to about $4 over the last 2 days, which is absolutely fantastic. So if anyone was able to catch this bounce guys on Alpp, then a massive congratulations. I have now been selling some of my position up here because I feel like we are very overstretched on the RSI, and again once you see something like this guys on a technical chart where in fact, you know, a chart has jumped up exponentially like this over 100% guys in the last few days, it's not normal for that to happen. So I know that we are awaiting catalysts, and the reason that this has happened was because of course on the Alpp site they have been posting some new news saying it is time to embrace change, and on our Discord again we are all up to date on what is going on inside our Alpp channel. You guys can see that there was a tweet that was liked from Alpp which basically suggested that they are moving from the OTC market webpage, and again they are moving now onto the Nasdaq. And because this tweet was in fact liked, then again everyone has started to go very crazy, and what that meant was Alpp then had, you know, a lot of buyers coming in thinking that the Nasdaq was going to happen. There was rumors that the Nasdaq was going to happen this week. Well, it is Friday obviously coming into today, so whether we are going to see that news, I really am optimistic. But what it did allow us guys was a chance to catch a massive spike of hype in Alpp, and again push those shorts out, so that short squeeze has happened, and we have now seen a massive increase in that position all the way up to $4. So I anticipate today guys there will probably be a little bit of selling, especially if we don't have any news. I will expect this to come back down to around that 50 on the RSI, which is around the $3 price range guys, so this could be a very volatile stock for today, so just be careful. Like I said, I have alerted our patrons. I have actually been selling some of my stake. If you want to know how much I am selling of the Alpp stock, then be sure to sign up for the Patreon, again below in the description. I am still holding some of my position, and again I will be looking at this stock for the very much long-term growth as this company does start to expand. But I love to take advantage of this company guys, because especially the stock has been, you know, on a wild run since this time last year. We have seen many peaks and troughs in the market, so many opportunities guys to in fact buy and sell at low points, you know, when the market is in fact up or in fact down. So it's just about learning how to read those technicals on a graph so that you can get the best possible price. And like I said, when everyone has been fearful, that is when I have been in fact buying my position. As you can see, we have a very double strong layer of resistance and support coming into these areas of $4 and also around the $2 and $2.50 mark. So again, on our Patreon page, we have been talking about what we are doing with Alpine 4 over the last couple of days. A lot of you guys on Discord especially, you know, have been concerned whether, you know, Alpine is going to continue to increase or whether it's going to decrease. But my initial thoughts are guys that this is going to continue to sell off today unless we see the Nasdaq news. Once we do have that initial uplisting, there is again going to be a big spike like we have seen over the last few days. So again, if this does happen today, then again we can expect to retest those highs of $5.50 up around here, but then we will see some immediate selling off. So that is the time guys that you need to capitalize on, again, these movements. Use that volatility, those spikes in the market, those peaks and those troughs to realign your position, sell out on those highs, and then buy back in once you do have the sell-offs, you know. And it does take several weeks guys, you just have to remain patient, and like I said, you don't have to close your whole position, but like I said guys, it's just about taking advantage of those peaks and those troughs in the market. Now guys, I use TradingView. TradingView.com is a great platform, and again if you type in the ticker symbol up here, ALPP, you are going to come up with all of this information. I use the 4-hour time frame to draw up my support and resistance layers, and again we can see those very strong indicators when the RSI is up or down, when we are in fact going to have a bounce back in, or of course we are going to have a sell-off. So that is how I like to trade with ALPP and using those technicals, guys. Again, like I said, if you would like any more information, then feel free to join the Discord where you can ask me anything at all. I hope you guys have a fantastic day. I really don't know what is going to happen today, so I'll keep you all up to date as soon as we have any more information on here. Until then, I will basically be in here making a few videos for you over the next 10 days while I'm in isolation with this horrible Rona, which has really kind of clogged up my nose. Probably sound really nasal on here, but again, hopefully we will have some good news on the Nasdaq soon, and we can see this share price once again shoot up, and we can play out to those areas of volatility. But in fact, we can make some more money, wait for those peaks and troughs in the market, get back in, and again, then we can start to capitalize in the long run as this company grows. So guys, that marks up this video. Have a fantastic day, and I look forward to seeing you guys soon in my next video. Ciao.